Hello everybody, this is Condo Maitreya. This is a very nice 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in Cinco de Diciembre area, on the hills of Cinco de Diciembre. It's fully equipped kitchen, you can see. Fridge, stove, toaster, microwave, 2 stools in the bar. This will be the 2nd bedroom. 2 windows, one of them with ocean views. This is the 2nd bathroom. This will be the master bathroom here. Here's the master bedroom with ocean views. I will show you what the views are. Dining room area, living room with flat screen TV. There is internet, Roku and TV cable. These chairs go outside in the balcony area, and here is the private terrace with panoramic ocean views. If you want more information on this condo, please log on to Puerto Vallarta Property Rental and look for Maitreya number 2. Thank you.